you say what a citizen or a student in this case should do if they see a police acting inappropriately?
Exactly.
Should they sit there or should they?
Exactly what some of those people did, and that's film it. Film it and give us the opportunity to address it. And that's what those students did. They filmed it and we're addressing it. And that's what citizens should do. I would hope that every citizen, that has a cell phone that has a camera on it, they see something that's going on that they've got questions about, then they need to film it. And then they need to get it to the proper people and let us look at it and see if it's something that's being done correctly or not. I can't fix problems if I don't know about it. And that's what we look for our citizens to do. Our citizens should police the police. That's their job too, is to police us and make sure we're doing our job the right way. And when we don't, then it's up to me and other law enforcement leaders to fix those problems. And either we correct the problems or we get rid of the problem. And that's what we're doing.